what's up? I'm going to show you how to play Lay Your Head on Me on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please click like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Let's get started. You'll need to put your capo on 2. First chord you'll need is an F. Open, open, 3, 2, 1, open. Then you'll need C. Open, 3, 2, open, 1, open. Then you'll need G. 3, 2, open, 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 3. And A minor. Open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. The other chord you'll need later is E minor. Open, 2, 2, open, open, open. The intro is just picked out like that. The same chords as the verses. So the verses go F, ring finger on the 5th fret of the B string. If you find this video helpful, please click like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it.